Okay. Trying to get a sense of if it's number 5 in the front or not. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Everybody's doing fine. I'm going to leave about 600 grams of food here, which is quite a bit. And it's going to be interesting to see if she comes in and takes out a big chunk like she did last night, which was kind of incredible because it was more than she weighed, and she took it off and came back with it. And also, right in the foreground, you might not be able to see this, but there's a lot of prairie remains scratched out here. It's a lot. But the cavity bottom's pretty nice, you know, with the typical stuff in here. But there's a lot of stuff up near the camera here, so I'm just going to rake off a little bit and just drop it aside. And then I'm going to put this stuff in here, but I got a little bit more stuff here just to kind of clear the angle for the camera. And leave this in here, and these guys will be fine. Okay, here you go. Really interesting, the foreground of the cavity has been scratched out pretty heavily and loosened up, and I'm just taking some new stuff out here. Not that they need me to do it, but I'm here, so what the heck. Okay, good. See you guys later.